In front of me is LG K51s, and let me show you secret codes that we can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dealer. This is the place that you will be entering secret codes. And let me start with the first one, which is asterisk pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now you are in diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon, select advanced view, and here it is. So you've got some further details. Let me go back. That would be all for this code. Another one that you can use is asterisk pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in testing mode. Here you can check for information and also usage statistics. Under phone information, you will be able to locate email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, call status, and so on. Also, this mode allows you to run a ping test. Just click run ping test, and here it is. You can go back then, and under usage statistics, you can check the detailed information about your apps. Here they are. So smoothly check, for example, settings, and as you can see, they've been used last at 10:50, like 10 to 11, and it's been for 4 minutes and 6 seconds. And this is it. That will be all for this code. And another one, super useful, is asterisk pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info, so if you have Google Calendar included to this device, if you are logged in with your Google account, and also if you have some events there, you will be able to check all of them right here. So from now on, you will not forget about any important upcoming event, as everything will be stored right here. And the last code for today is, actually it's the shortest one, it is asterisk pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with email number assigned to your LG K51s. So if you need this unique number because you would like to check something, just enter this code and then you will be provided with both email numbers. And this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.